Did you want me to tell you the 5 laziest and easiest ways to make money online starting right now? I'm sure you said yes. Before I reveal the 5 ways, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button to support the channel to get more videos just like this. Okay, so in today's digital age, the allure of making money online has captivated many individuals seeking financial freedom and flexibility. The appeal lies in the ability to work from anywhere, allowing for a lifestyle that can adapt to personal schedules and commitments. Online income methods offer the potential for significant earnings, often surpassing traditional jobs, especially for those willing to invest time and effort. However, despite these enticing prospects, many people hesitate to explore online money-making opportunities. Common concerns include doubts about legitimacy, fear of scams, and uncertainty about where to start. This hesitation can prevent individuals from tapping into the vast potential that the internet offers for generating income. To address these concerns, it's essential to highlight that there are effective methods to earn money online that require no initial investment. These approaches not only mitigate financial risk, but also provide a practical entry point for those new to the online marketplace. In the following discussion, we will explore 5 proven strategies that can help individuals embark on their journey to online income without the need for upfront costs. By understanding these methods, aspiring online earners can gain confidence and take the first steps toward achieving their financial goals in the digital realm. Earning money by creating short clips from podcasts has become an innovative way to capitalize on the growing popularity of audio content. The process begins with finding suitable podcasts that resonate with your target audience. Utilizing AI software can streamline this task, as these tools can analyze episodes and identify key moments worth clipping. Once you've selected a podcast, you can use the software to extract engaging snippets, typically ranging from 15 to 60 seconds, which can then be edited for clarity and impact. After creating these clips, platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts offer lucrative opportunities for monetization. With millions of users, these platforms can generate significant views, leading to potential earnings through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success lies in selecting engaging highlights that capture the essence of the podcast while appealing to viewers. Clips that feature compelling stories, humor, or insightful quotes tend to perform better, increasing the likelihood of shares and engagement. By focusing on high-quality content and leveraging AI tools for efficiency, creators can build a following and monetize their efforts effectively. This method not only allows for creative expression, but also taps into the booming market of short-form video content, making it a promising avenue for generating income. YouTube automation is a concept that allows creators to streamline the video production process, leveraging AI tools to generate content with minimal manual effort. The first step in creating automated YouTube videos involves selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and has a substantial audience. This could range from educational content to entertainment or lifestyle topics. Once you've identified your niche, you can utilize AI tools to generate scripts, create voiceovers, and even produce visuals, significantly reducing the time spent on each video. These tools can analyze trending topics and keywords, ensuring that your content remains relevant and engaging. After producing your videos, you can upload them to your channel, optimizing titles and descriptions for searchability. The potential for growth in this space is immense, as automated videos can attract a wide audience without the need for constant hands-on involvement. Additionally, monetization through AdSense offers a lucrative opportunity. As your channel gains subscribers and views, you can earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. This model not only provides passive income, but also allows for scalability, as you can produce multiple videos simultaneously. By embracing YouTube automation, creators can focus on strategy and growth while enjoying the benefits of a well-managed channel. Copywriting has emerged as a viable online income method, appealing to those with a knack for persuasive writing and creativity. As businesses and influencers increasingly recognize the importance of compelling content, the demand for skilled copywriters continues to grow. To successfully pitch copywriting services, it's essential to identify potential clients who may benefit from enhanced marketing materials such as websites, social media posts, and email campaigns. Crafting a personalized pitch that highlights your unique skills and showcases previous work can significantly increase your chances of landing clients. Additionally, leveraging AI tools can enhance your copywriting efforts, particularly in creating engaging email campaigns. These tools can analyze audience behavior, suggest effective subject lines, and even generate content that resonates with target demographics, making your campaigns more impactful. The beauty of copywriting lies in its potential for ongoing work. Satisfied clients often seek long-term partnerships for their content needs. By delivering high-quality copy that drives results, you can establish a reputation that leads to repeat business and referrals. This not only provides a steady stream of income, but also allows for the possibility of scaling your services, whether through freelance work or by building a copywriting agency. Embracing copywriting as an online income method can open doors to a fulfilling and lucrative career. Managing social media accounts for clients is a rewarding venture that can lead to a sustainable income stream. The first step in this process is identifying potential clients who may benefit from enhanced social media presence, such as small businesses, influencers, or startups. A strategic approach is to offer free initial services, such as a social media audit or a trial period of content management. This not only showcases your skills, but also builds trust and demonstrates the value you can provide. Once you've secured a client, utilizing various tools for content creation and scheduling becomes essential. Platforms like Canva can help design eye-catching graphics, while tools like Hootsuite or Buffer allow for efficient scheduling of posts across multiple channels. These tools streamline the management process, ensuring that content is consistently delivered and engagement is maximized. As you build a portfolio of satisfied clients, there's a significant opportunity for establishing monthly payment arrangements. Many businesses prefer the predictability of a retainer model, where they pay a set fee for ongoing social media management. This not only provides you with a steady income, but also fosters long-term relationships with clients, leading to potential referrals and expanded services. By effectively managing social media accounts, you can create a thriving business that meets the needs of clients while generating consistent revenue. The modern approach to affiliate marketing has evolved significantly, particularly with the rise of social media platforms. To begin, selecting a niche is crucial. It should align with your interests and target a specific audience. This focus allows you to create engaging product content that resonates with followers. Once you've identified your niche, you can develop content that highlights products in a way that feels authentic and relatable. This could include reviews, tutorials, or lifestyle posts that seamlessly incorporate the products you're promoting. Integrating platforms like TikTok Shop and Amazon Associates can enhance your affiliate marketing strategy. TikTok Shop allows creators to sell products directly through their videos, making it easier to earn commissions on sales generated from your content. Similarly, Amazon Associates provides a straightforward way to earn commissions by sharing product links. By combining these platforms, you can maximize your earning potential while reaching a broader audience. Showcasing products creatively is key to capturing attention and driving engagement. Utilizing storytelling, humor, or visually appealing formats can make your content stand out in crowded feeds. For instance, creating short, entertaining videos that demonstrate a product's benefits can lead to higher conversion rates. By embracing these modern strategies, affiliate marketers can effectively leverage social media to build a profitable income stream while connecting with their audience in meaningful ways. So we quickly explored 5 effective methods for making money online that can help you achieve financial independence. First, we discussed the potential of creating short clips from podcasts, which allows you to leverage existing content and engage audiences on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Next, we delved into YouTube automation, highlighting how AI tools can streamline video production and open doors to monetization through AdSense. We also covered the lucrative field of copywriting, emphasizing how to pitch your services and the ongoing income potential from satisfied clients. Additionally, we examined managing social media accounts for clients, showcasing how to identify prospects and utilize scheduling tools for efficiency. Finally, we explored the modern approach to affiliate marketing using social media, focusing on niche selection and creative product showcasing. The most important thing to take away from this video is it's crucial to take action and try out these methods for yourself. The online world is full of opportunities, and the best way to find success is to start experimenting with what resonates with you. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community of aspiring online earners. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.